What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? Amen. Welcome to Healers National. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, select all. We're doing the Libra reading here, okay? The ones that are you subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the Essential Healer as well. Because I'll put like 6 signs on this channel, 6 signs on that channel, and sometimes I'll switch them up here. Okay? You don't have to be the specific signs to resonate with the reading here, so just know that, okay? Alright, so let's get into this here, okay? So, somebody definitely wants you broke, homeless, and dead here. It could definitely be an Aries here, okay? So, let's get more into this for you guys and see what Spirit wants you to know, what's coming toward you, what you should be aware of, all of that good stuff. Alright, amen? Okay, somebody's got money coming soon, so congratulations on whoever that is, okay, amen? Yeah, whatever these people are trying to do, keep you broke, homeless, and dead here. This Aries, this situation's at a dead end, so they just need to knock it off here, okay? That's it. Alrighty, y'all. Oh, yeah, what they sent for you is what's coming for them here, okay? Just know that. Whatever they sent out for you is what's coming for them. Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day. Amen, amen. I was going to say good morning, but it's afternoon now. Good afternoon, y'all. What? Amen. Message for Libra, please. All curses and hexes have been removed, so if you were having any kind of problems, just know that them curses and hexes that people put on you have been removed here, okay? Message for Libra, please. Yeah, somebody's doing love spells. Love potion number 9. What? Amen. When you do a love spell on somebody, part of the collective especially here, it does the opposite effect. So it's not going to make somebody love you. It actually is going to make somebody dislike you here, okay? So just know that, okay? Message for Libra, please. We have somebody from another country here, so this could be somebody from another country that's doing a love spells. Somebody could be definitely trying to stick somebody with a needle here as well. So just be mindful of that as well here, okay? Just know that you are protected. All of the collective is always protected here, okay? Alright, Spirit, what do we got for Libra, please? Yeah, somebody's definitely very sneaky, very deceptive, very shady figure here, okay? You could be dealing with the Capricorn here that was definitely trying to cause you a lot of burdens here. Yeah, this Capricorn here was trying to keep you in poverty. Yeah. But like the card said, what they wanted for you is what's coming for them here, okay? Just know that. It could be a tarot reader as well, okay? Yeah, but you're not stuck. You're good. Everything's good. You got the sun here, okay? So, what, like I said, whatever they wanted for you is what's coming for them here, okay? Yeah, you're manifesting, what? You're manifesting, your stability here. You're good. Why, somebody else was definitely being sneaky and deceptive, trying to keep you in poverty. Yeah, you're in like a godlike energy. So whatever these people are doing, it's not working here, okay? Yeah, you're financially stable here. You're not juggling, okay? These people wanted to keep you juggling off balance here. They were definitely trying to tend towards you. They did tend towards you probably a lot in the past, and but everything is fine now for you here, okay? So just know that, Libra. You've got the Empress at the bottom of the deck here. Somebody could be wanting to apologize here as well. They're taking a risky action too soon, a careless, risky action. Careless, risky action, okay? Because judgment here, they're getting judged for this. Yeah. Trying to keep you from even getting any kind of generational wealth here, okay? So just know that you are protected here, okay? Let's see what else we can get for you guys. All right, Libra? All right, Spirit, what do we have for Libra here? Yeah, somebody was doing magic, doing voodoo here. Ooh, a grandmother? So somebody's grandma was doing voodoo. It came up in one of my readings yesterday with a really nasty grandmother, mother or grandmother figure here. This mother or grandmother figure. Organ trafficking came out twice for this grandma, mother or grandma or whatever it is, okay? We have a grandmother and a son here that could be doing voodoo. What is this? The FBI is watching these people. This grandmother figure and the son, the FBI is watching them. We have an X here as well. So what's up with this X? What's up with this X? Somebody's ex is probably going to get into a fight, or somebody's ex wants to fight. Somebody's ex maybe wants to fight somebody's mother. So somebody's ex wants to fight somebody's mother. Or did get into a fight with somebody's mother. With L. So somebody's ex wants to fight somebody's mother, or they did, okay? We have you here as well. A Pisces. Message for Libra, please. Whoa. Is this a physical hammer? No, that's... Okay. Spirit's bringing the hammer down on these people here, okay? Just know that. Spirit's bringing the hammer down on these people. They're not even playing here. We have Willie or William here. What's it with Willie, Will, or William? So somebody is fixing to have a heart attack or did have a heart attack here. Will, Willie, or William? Message for Libra, please. We have an Aquarius here as well. Is this the name, Mason? Is this a Mason Eastern Star? No. Okay. So we have the name Mason here. I don't know if Mason is this Aquarius. What's up with this Mason? What's up with Mason here? What's up with Mason? With the helicopter here? Mason and a helicopter. So Mason could definitely be doing something with the helicopter here. Okay. So Mason was doing magic with the helicopter, and it definitely is backfiring here. We have F. Next is for Libra, please. Whoa. We have F, and then we have John or Johnny here. Well, I guess this should put Jonathan too. John, Johnny, or Jonathan. So John, Johnny, or Jonathan here. What's up with F and John, Johnny, or Jonathan? We have Sean. Matthew. Oh, yeah. Were all these people involved with this helicopter magic back, whatever it is, it's being returned to sender times 20 here, okay? So we have a grandmother and a son that was definitely doing voodoo here, okay? The FBI is watching these people. We have somebody's ex that either fought their mother or somebody's mother, or they want to fight somebody's mother here, okay? We have the letter L, and we have the letter U, okay? Somebody could be a Pisces. Spirit is bringing the hammer down on these people here, okay? We have the name Will, Willie, or William. This person either had a heart attack or is fixing to have a heart attack here, okay? Somebody could be an Aquarius. We have the name Mason. This person was definitely doing magic with a helicopter here, okay? We have the letter S as well. We have the name John, Johnny, or Jonathan, and we have the name Sean, and we have the name Matthew. And whatever these people did is being returned to sender times 20 here, okay? So that's what I got for Libra, y'all. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. Y'all have a blessed day, amen, okay?